When it comes to your home's roof, don't settle for less than the best. FRS Roofing Plus Gutters provides top-notch roof replacement services in Winchester, Massachusetts. Our team is experienced and knowledgeable, ensuring the job is done right the first time. We're committed to making sure your home's roof is in top shape and protects your family and belongings. Our expert team of professionals is dedicated to ensuring your complete satisfaction with every job. If your roof has seen better days, it's time for a replacement. At FRS Roofing Plus Gutters, we use only the highest quality materials to ensure your new roof lasts for years to come. From start to finish, we'll work with you to make sure your new roof fits your needs and budget. With FRS Roofing Plus Gutters, you can have peace of mind knowing your new roof is in good hands. Don't let a damaged or old roof compromise your home's safety and value. Contact FRS Roofing Plus Gutters today for a free estimate on your roof replacement in Winchester, Massachusetts. Call us at 781-322-6252 to schedule your roof replacement. You can also visit our website at www.frsroof.com/roof-replacement-Winchester to learn more about our services and view our portfolio. Trust us to provide exceptional service and quality workmanship on every project.